Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Data Partnership. So today I will show you what are the digital specifications of digital water flow meters with telemetry for groundwater monitoring. This is part of our series technical details of guidelines and regulation for sustainable groundwater, right? So So I showed you in earlier presentations that what are the groundwater regulations and guidelines in details in three parts. So this one is also one of the most important part after those guidelines and taking NOC from Central Water Groundwater Board Authority, or it's from the respective state groundwater departments. So you know the flow meter. This is one of the flow meter. There are various flow meters in the market. Lots of technologies. Solution provider have these technologies. So why this is because over extraction of groundwater demand accurate measurement and reporting. So CGWA banded digital flow meters with telemetry for real time monitoring. They ensure accountability, data transparency, and water use efficiency. We all know this. So basically, this is borewell. This will be the flow borewell, flow meter, telemetry, cloud, and CGWA. Finally, this data from borewell to CGWA means so that they can monitor the the data. So what are the key features and specifications? So what should be the meter type? This is as per the guidelines I'm telling about. So meter type is ultrasonic or electromagnetic. Communication should be LAN or WAN, GPRS, 3G, 4G. So now 5G is also coming. So maybe in next notification means amendment, it will come there that you should have 5G also. So power source is battery operated or UPS with power of detection, because this is also very important part of the meter should be battery operated or some solar light, or because sometime if regular supply is off, then data should go away, means for that time period we didn't have any we do not have any tracking, right? So tamper-proofing, mechanical, electromagnetic, electronic seals, any tampering, physical damage. So this is it should be tamper-proof. Compliance means ISO 4064-2014 and IP68 ingress protection, right? So it should be it should be free from detect. It should protect instrument from dust and water, right? So accuracy is plus minus 2% for 10 to 100% for maximum flow rate. So testing calibration certified by FCRI, NPL or NABL accredited lab. So what are the parameter monitored? Timestamp means time of data recording, means how much, means what when it is recording the data. Forward flow volume, mean cumulative volume extracted. So this is mainly the part of the main objective of groundwater guidelines as a how much volume any industry or any entity is taking away, right? So this is the main part. So that's why it's a cumulative volume extracted. Reverse flow volume, flow in reverse direction. Net flow volume, and pump working, how much time pump worked for that. Serial numbers, calibration date, borewell ID. So everything should be monitored. So telemetry and data management. So data transmitted minimum twice a daily to secure cloud. So cloud a provider must be MAT impaneled for cyber security compliance. So means Ministry of Info, Electronic and IT, right? So battery life should be more than equal to or more than 3 years for two transmissions per day. So it should be like that and replaceable without data loss. And data integrated to automatic meter reading and automatic meter infrastructure system. So what should be the software features are web-based dashboard should be there, customer, engineer or manager view options, data from pump and meter automatically posted to the management software. This is one of the important part that then only they can monitor. So data integration and CGWA interface. So this should be it should be like this, means yeah, this should be the dashboard. So secure cloud transmit untampered data to CGWA real-time monitoring platform. It should become like this. Cyber security measure mandatory for data handling and transmitter transmissions. Enabled compliance tracking and decision support for water resources resources regulation. So it should be like that, means what are the uh, project or industry. This is just example, Green Valley Industrial or whatever XYZ. This is just an example. It's a randomly I have taken. So this would be the borewell ID, something like that. Location, meter is ultrasonic. So this is, uh, means these kind of information is should give. So benefit of implementation means real-time monitoring and reporting, reduce manual data errors, compliance with CGWA environmental norms, improve water use efficiency, transparency of industries for industries and regulators. So foundation of for future AI IoT enabled water management. This is important part. Actually, so this is the foundation, so that nowadays all the technologies, IoT based technologies, all are AI enabled. So basically, if we have to start from somewhere. So once we will have this telemetry system, this data goes automatically to the dashboard at the cloud server at CGW or State Department. So slowly what we will do is that that data can so there will be a system for future technologies, right? So and we will have regular data. So this is also helpful for the businesses also, or industry or any infrastructure project, so that they can also regularly monitor about their data, how much water they are having, how they can manage the water, so that their business cannot be impacted. So this is very useful tool. And then this would be the installation position of tamper-proof flow meter with telemetry at groundwater, means abstraction structure. So you can see that, so this would be the 500, it should be like that, 10D. 10D is the pipe size, that D is the diameter of pipe. So here it should be like that, so that it will transmit the data. So technical specifications are also given in the guideline. Meter type is, I already told that, electromagnetic or ultrasonic accuracy is plus minus 2, turn down ratio 10 or above. Installation work in horizontal and vertical orientations. External, no affected by external magnetic field. It should be the ISO 4064 compliant. So these are the means if it is DN 40, then 0 to 5, 0.5 to 5 lps liter per second. So it's a pipe size actually. So this should be the flow. So material construction is a brass, bronze, means this iron, cast iron, stainless steel should be there. So making bulk. So basically these are the displays, digital straight reading type, protective cover should be there. IP60, this already I have given. So in context of groundwater monitoring under CGWA guideline, flow meter must have telemetry to automatically transmit data. This is important part, and I'm sure that in future this will be up and running. So technical specification for telemetry system means these are the abnormality detection. System must detect, communicate abnormal usage such as high consumption, tampering, leakage. Means it should give the notification if something is there like that. So alarm, it will battery time alert, real time or battery temper or operational. So battery requirement, it should be replaceable without data loss, already mentioned earlier. Leak and flow detection, detected log, detect and log leak, no flow and high flow conditions. So these are the very important parameters. This means the requirement there for telemetry system. And so basically telemetry system, why enable real time data transfer from meter to cloud, detect tampering, leakages, abnormal flows, and provide secure encrypted communication for data integrity, and interpret monitoring, and even during power or signal outage. So these are some few important things uh, mentioned. So this is the data management softwares. So operation system should be the Windows or HP, Unix, Linux, or Solaris. Cloud-based system must be cloud-based or with web portal access for users to view water consumption data online. So there should be centralized server installation installed as central database control room with real-time access and customer web portal option. So backup should be there. Alert notification means should provide email, SMS alert to user for key event or anomaly. There may be if you are getting the data, so there are a lot of A lot of customization you can do for your daily use basically. So for that, if you need any help on to develop that dashboard or to customize solution from the data, so we please write in the comments so we can provide that service also. So data posting should automatically post reading from telemetry system to respective user account in the database. So visualization should allow real-time visualization, flow, consumption alarms. So these are the and the lab testing. So the system, the meter must be tested, calibrated as per the means the norms. Accuracy requirement already mentioned, plus minus 2% across the operating range. Model approval must have valid model approval certificate India or outside. So calibration point required are 4.10%, 4%, for 10%, 40%, 70%, and 100% of maximum flow rate. So accuracy must be validated across 10 to 100% of operating flow range. So what are the data management? The summary is cloud-based system platform with web portal, real-time dashboard for data visualization, secure data database with automatic posting, backup, and user alert via email, SMS, compatible with Windows, Linux, Solaris environment. So this plus minus 2% accuracy, 4-point calibration. So that's it, guys. So this, I hope this will be helpful, and I will create a separate video for who are the technology companies who are providing these models or these flow meters and providing services, and who are giving you the services on this database management or dashboard creation or decision support system development. If you are getting the data from the flow meter. So this is, I think, one of the most important part of this whole guidelines. So please let me know if you have any question about this. Thank you.